Okay, just documenting the elevator install, the elevator servo install for Emmy, for the Emerald. The horn here is Jubro part number 3353. And that's the servo. Advanced radio 8433. One each side, one for each control surface. Got some 2mm carbon board. So there's a U-shaped piece here, or C, whichever way you want to look at it. And it's tapped for M3, and the servo fits in an open space in this rib, in this carbon rib, and it fits in between the tubes that carry the join bars, and that will be permanently fixed here. There'll be a hatch in the bottom skin to be able to remove the servo, and to do that I've just got a ball driver, and it'll be a hole in the root here to access the bolts. It's about did I say it was about 3 hours to get this far? Should only take half that, because I'll be able to trace all these bits now and reproduce them. Push rods will come, M3 fits in there fine. That's the end of the ball link. The ball link that's supplied from Jubro is not threaded with anything, so you could cut your own either 440 or M3 into that ball link, and I'll use another ball link on the end of here. So anything else? What else do I have to mention about that? Oh yeah, you might notice how sort of it's well balanced. I was a bit concerned that I might have had to have put some sort of support out the side here for the servo, but it's surprisingly well balanced as it is. So I'm not going to worry about that, but what I will do is I'll put a plate. I'll attach the mount here, the rib basically. I'll attach it to a plate at either end, so that'll help carry if there is any loads this way. I'm sure there's a long word for it, but I don't know it. I think that's about it. Servo, I'll just travel through. I'll put a lightning hole in here, and the servo will just come out here and plug into the fuselage. Okay, that should cover everything.